Hello, do you like to play and experiment? Do you like to learn new processes and techniques? I've been teaching experimental textile processes and techniques for the last 30 years, and I just love helping students develop their own style. It's very important to be able to create your own original work. Do you know the difference between Solufleece and Decovil? And which iron-on interfacing you need to iron onto the back of newspaper when you want to stitch into it? Here are just a few of the things that you will learn on the video library.
Lay it down onto the Solufleece. So now you have your image ready to stitch.
There are no rights and wrongs with this. You find your own way. The most important thing is to work slowly and not press too hard. I've made it with 6 or 7 layers. You could do 8, 9, 10 if you want really thick, strong bowl. So you get the idea. The thing is to play and see what happens, but this puff paste is really useful as long as you don't use too much. Just make sure and do physically wrap the Decovil around your book. Don't just measure it. You can stitch in that last little bit there, or you could start to bend it up and make a little feature of it.
Bondaweb can be quite beautiful by itself. This is various layers and layers on top of each other of painted Bondaweb. You can see various little strips of colour, but because they're all reasonably close together colour-wise, they're not too shouty. Great fun.
So this is going to be our final piece. It really is a lovely voyage of discovery, and you can work with other students working at the same time in the private groups on the website. It's great fun, lots of colour and excitement going on. So if you love to experiment and play with different techniques and processes, come and join us on the video library.